Hello guys, my name is Pratiksha Mangesh Munmuke and you are watching me on TOI TV. Thank you. जो मेरे आजू बाजू में लोग थे उन्होंने मेरे लिए मैनिफेस्ट किया कि you should do and I'm here today. So yeah. The thing is, I have seen people who goes in depression and all because whatever happened with me, it wasn't a small thing.
Right.
I was a very fat kid. I was, when I used to go school, people used to tease me, अरे मोटी आ गई, भैंस आ गई, ऐसा सब. When I was in 8th or 9th standard, so I used to feel that कि अरे ये लोग मुझे क्यों ऐसे बोल रहा है. इस इंडस्ट्री में तो पतला थोड़ा इधर उधर चलता है, बट व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू फ्लाई उधर तो बिल्कुल नहीं चलता था. अगर आप 1 किलो भी हैवी हो जाते हो तो वो आपको ग्राउंड करा देते थे कि नहीं, नाउ यू कांट फ्लाई.
From flying high as an air hostess to turning everyone's heart to her, here we have Pratiksha Hunmuke with us. Hi Pratiksha.
Hi, I love the intro.
So, firstly, playing Priyanka, how has this journey been for you? A whole new show.
So Priyanka is a very opposite character to me. I mean, I'm a girl who don't like to yell at someone, and Priyanka एकदम opposite है. So me and Priyanka, we both are very opposite. But then it's a very challenging task for me. But I'm loving it. I'm loving Priyanka the way she is. I'm full of attitude, that grace. So yeah, I'm loving the character.
So, somewhere we saw you in your first show as well in a negative role, and now you're also. So, do you think that has it been a typecast, or you're still enjoying the new change?
I think not a typecast because it's only been 8 years. 8 years, I'm saying 8 months for me in this industry. So in that serial, I wasn't negative. I mean, you can't say negative, but in this serial, I'm totally opposite and different. In that serial, I was okay. मतलब she used to love her man, so उसका वो सिर्फ प्यार और jealousy था. But इसमें she is very evil. कि नहीं, पैसे चाहिए तो चाहिए. सो वो दोनों कैरेक्टर बहुत डिफरेंट है बिकॉज वो बहुत इमोशनल थी, ये बिल्कुल भी इमोशनल नहीं है. सो या दोनों कैरेक्टर में ज़मीन आसमान का फर्क है.
So, bagging another show after everything that happened, was it difficult? Did you find yourself in a spiral कि अब क्या?
Difficult, obviously it was difficult for me because there were many things which I was overthinking about. That I just started, I left my job.
Right.
I used to fly for 7 years. I took a risk to start this thing, and then अचानक से all this happened. So obviously it was difficult, but then by God's grace, जब आप अच्छे हो तो आपके साथ अच्छा ही होता है. So, yeah.
Correct. So how has it been with the new team over here?
They are too good, touchful. I feel like family. From first day, I never felt कि मैं अभी just join हुई हूँ. Because the way they are, love, the way they teach you things that you do like this. Because I'm very new and people here, they are very experienced, 15
Right.
years, 17 years, 20 years, and I just joined. So all are very, very good, touchwood.
So when it comes to acting, do you think that there are certain things where you try to learn from them or observe them?
Obviously, I think in life we should keep learning. It's not about me only, it's about everyone. Even if you're doing something for like 20 years or 25 years, but then आपसे भी ऊपर कोई तो होगा जिनसे आपको सीखना चाहिए. So I think life में आपको सीखना is very important. वो कभी रुक नहीं सकता है. So I always grab things which I think अच्छा I can do this in my scene. So I have that quality कि मैं देखूँ फिर मैं सोचूँ कि हाँ शायद मैं भी ये कर सकती हूँ. So yeah.
So अब तक के scenes में ऐसा कोई scene रहा है where you've enjoyed it and it has been challenging at the same
To
time?
be honest, I enjoy every scene here because प्रियंका कुछ ना कुछ तो करती ही रहती है. वो शांत बैठ ही नहीं सकती है. So I enjoy doing every single scene here.
Any challenges that you face till now as an actor?
As an actor, I can't say challenges, but then I feel that अभी तक I have to learn people around me because I feel that everyone is good, but I think that's not the case. Not everyone is good.
Right.
So I have to learn that. I have to start learning people because when I used to fly at that time also, I used to do passenger profiling. But now when I came here, I used to think that नहीं यार, मतलब मैंने सुना था कि people are not good. बट व्हेन आई केम हियर तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि नहीं यार लोग ऐसे ही बोलते रहेंगे, बट स्लोली आई गॉट टू नो दैट नो आई हैव टू लर्न एंड मास्टर दिस ऑल्सो कि किसके साथ कैसे रहना है, सो दैट्स चैलेंजिंग फॉर मी.
And you obviously need to navigate through them.
Exactly, you should know how to get out of those things. Yeah.
So again, coming from a whole different field, what made you take up acting?
Actually, when I used to fly, people used to tell me that what, go try for movies, try for serials, and I used to say कि हाँ ठीक है देख लेंगे, because I started flying when I was 18 and that was my first job, first interview. So उसके बाद सब बोलते थे कि अरे you should go, you should do. So मैंने कभी इतना दिल पे लिया नहीं, but then manifestation. So I feel लोगों ने ये चीज़ मेरे लिए मैनिफेस्ट की है कि you should do because जो जितना बोलता है वो उतना होता है. So yeah, I think जो मेरे आजू बाजू में लोग थे उन्होंने मेरे लिए मैनिफेस्ट किया कि you should do and I'm here today. So yeah.
So apart from TV shows, do you want to venture out into, there are so many avenues, there is regional cinema, there is movies, there are OTT platforms. So
obviously I want to. I mean, obviously I want to work in movies. I mean, I just started. I'm just a baby still, just 9 months. So obviously I want to go ahead. I want to explore more things because it's a vast industry. So there are many things to do. So obviously I want to do.
So now that you've tried one flavor of acting when it comes to negative roles till now, अब आगे क्या, I mean, are you also aspiring कि आगे you pick up something which is in a lead role or how?
Yeah, obviously I want to do something positive. It's just that अभी तो ऐसा है कि अभी इतना सब कुछ हो गया, ऐसा है कि चलो let's do this, but then obviously I want to do, and even जब ये रिश्ता के बाद जो कुछ भी हुआ, that time also I got shows. But I wasn't ready at that time to do those shows because mentally I wasn't in that state. So that's why when this show came, so I was like, ठीक है, parallel lead है, so why not just give it a try. So I came here, but I'm very happy I took that decision because I love working here.
And it's really important, despite having a bad episode, to continue to do what you're doing.
Exactly. It's very, actually, the thing is, I have seen people who goes in depression and all because whatever happened with me, it wasn't a small thing.
Right.
I mean, everyone was talking about it, that SS and Uma. So obviously it wasn't a small thing. But then I feel that my family was there to support me, to encourage me that you have not done anything wrong. So why you are feeling that way?
Correct.
So that's why I was like, if my parents are saying this, so I have to, because I got the show after 2 months. Yeah, after 2 months only. और उससे पहले भी मुझे 2-3 शो ऑफर हो चुके थे, but I said no because I told you mentally I was not ready to do them.
But as we say that artists जब इंडस्ट्री में आते हैं एक वक्त के बाद उनकी controversy होती है. But here we had you there and we had you like, see, somewhere there are two things. There are two kinds of publicity, but I think both worked wonders for you some way. That we are seeing you now back on television.
Exactly. I think it's very important you to continue what you're doing, because just because आपके साथ एक episode हो गया, that doesn't mean that you will leave everything and you will just sit at home. Because I feel it's okay. I mean, I feel it's very good that मुझे starting में पता चल गया how people are.
Yeah.
वरना I was assuming कि नहीं यार everyone is good, and I'm a very naive person कि मतलब, and I'm a very emotional person. If कोई मुझे आकर ऐसे बोल रहा है तो I was like, oh अच्छा okay, so I'm like that. But then now I know कि वहाँ पे क्या जो भी हुआ, so now I know कि नहीं ऐसा भी हो सकता है. So now I'm more aware, I can say. वरना तो
and cautious about the words around you.
Exactly.
That's so true. But coming to your journey into acting, how did you bag your first show? I mean, how did you navigate your way through in the industry?
So that was my first mock shoot. So
Oh.
touch wood, yeah.
Okay.
I was not aware of facing camera. I wasn't aware of what is mock shoot. So I got a call in September only. I got a call that you have a mock shoot tomorrow and ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है. So I was knowing that हाँ एक serial है because I'm not into serials because when I used to fly time ही नहीं मिलता है
Totally.
to watch movies or anything. So I was like हाँ ये रिश्ता तो मैंने सुना है. So he was like कि हाँ so उसमें आया you have to go for mock shoot. So I asked him that mock shoot में होता क्या है because I don't know क्या होता है. So
Correct.
like कि कुछ नहीं होता है तुम्हें बस वो लोग कपड़े देंगे स्क्रिप्ट देंगे वो पढ़ के हो जाएगा. I was like okay, so I was very nervous first mock shoot. I don't
Totally.
know anything about lightings, nothing. I just have to go and perform and come. So I went there and then it went very well. I just gave one I just gave one shot, yeah, and then next day I got the call that you were selected.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
And
even here also, I came, I gave the mock shoot, and then next day I got the call that you were selected.
perfect. Do you want to now hone your skill with theater or workshops?
Obviously I want to, and I am looking forward to it. But then again, we don't get time. If you're in television, you don't get time
Totally.
to do all this. But then yeah, obviously maybe after this show I will just take a break or something. देखते हैं क्या लिखा है आगे, so उस हिसाब से I will just do.
So you've already traveled so much. We can't even say कि अगर कोई जगह बची हो.
Yeah,
As a
completely.
tourist,
Yeah.
as a tourist, what would you love to explore?
Actually, I don't like to explore, to be very honest. When I used to fly, when I used to go on layovers also, I used to sleep in my room because that was very exhausted and tiring. And for me, my sleep is very important, and I don't like when I look very dull or very low. And if you don't sleep, you will look very
Totally.
dull and low. And फिर दूसरे दिन फ्लाइट पे भी जाना है. My crew, they used to land and they used to travel, but I can't do that. So I don't have that कि यार मुझे इधर जाना उधर जाना. If I'm with my family or with my loved ones, so I can go किधर भी. ऐसा particular place नहीं है that मुझे यही जाना है. I can enjoy किधर भी. So there is no place. But हाँ, if you're asking, do you know Machan? I would love to go there someday.
That's so interesting.
Yeah.
When it comes to food, are you a foodie or how do you navigate yourself in there?
I am a foodie. I love eating food, but I have to control myself.
Picky eater तो नहीं हो?
नहीं. I love to eat food, but then again, that I feel like I can eat the whole thing, but I can't finish the whole thing. That's the scene with me. I will take 1-2 bites and then
you're
it's
done.
It's like that.
So any such dish that is your soul food?
I like dal chawal, जो मेरी मम्मी बनाती है, because I'm Maharashtrian, so मराठियों में तो वो दाल ही अलग
With
होती
तुप.
है. Yeah, with tup.
That's very important.
Yeah.
Like have
And
it
when
with
I
the
was
hand.
young, I was a very fat kid.
Oh.
I was a very fat kid. I was, when I used to go school, people used to tease me, अरे मोटी आ गई, भैंस आ गई, ऐसा सब. When I was in 8th or 9th standard, so I used to feel that कि अरे ये लोग मुझे क्यों ऐसे बोल रहा है. So एक दिन समर वेकेशन लगते हैं 9th में मुझे मिले थे, and then I did yoga for 1 month. और फिर उसके बाद में इतनी पतली हो गई थी, बहुत ज़्यादा पतली हो गई थी. तो सब लोग ऐसे सोच रहे थे कि अरे ये तो मोटी थी, अभी पतली कैसे हो गई. फिर उन्होंने चिढ़ाना छोड़ दिया कि अरे छोड़ दो ऐसे. सो आई थिंक आई वर्कड ऑन माई सेल्फ अ लॉट.
But at such a young age, when you are constantly told,
Yeah.
it hits you terribly.
Yeah,
It shatters your mental health.
So as I told you that I am a very now also I'm very naive. I don't like to interact. I don't like to gossip. मतलब अपना काम करो. So at that time also I never used to speak a lot. So people just say कि अरे ये तो एकदम शांत रहती है, ये क्या ही करेगी अपनी लाइफ में, कुछ नहीं कर सकती है, because she don't talk and she don't like to do makeup. मुझे मेकअप करना भी नहीं अच्छा लगता था, कुछ भी नहीं. सो लोग ऐसे मुझे बोलते थे कि अरे ये क्या करेगी, कुछ नहीं कर सकती अपने लाइफ में. एंड जब मुझे ये जॉब में मिला था एयर होस्टेस का, सो दैट टाइम ऑल्सो पीपल आर लाइक अरे अभी क्या करेगी, इतने सारे लोग होते हैं, इनके सामने बोलना पड़ता है, ये तो बोल ही नहीं पाएगी. but then I'm glad that I proved them wrong. That
Totally.
I'm doing it. I think it's very important to have that confidence in yourself. That whatever you are, whoever you are, you just have to be confident enough in yourself. And it just about the mind. You have to be strong. So I think that's the thing.
Totally. And now that from your ninth grade, you've had your transformation and you've continued it. So how has that been, maintaining it?
Yeah, I think when you have that thing in your mind that no, I can't do this again, because if I do
Correct.
this again, वही result
वो पता है कि क्या हो
I know
जाए.
मेरे साथ क्या होगा. So I just kept that in my mind that no, I have to, if I have to, because इस इंडस्ट्री में तो पतला थोड़ा इधर उधर चलता है, बट व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू फ्लाई उधर तो बिल्कुल नहीं चलता था.
हाँ,
अगर
you
आप
have a
1
certain
किलो भी
weight.
1 किलो भी हैवी हो जाते हो तो वो आपको ग्राउंड करा देते थे कि नहीं, नाउ यू कांट फ्लाई.
Oh God.
ऐसा होता था. एंड आई वाज द फेस ऑफ गोयर. सो मेरे लिए तो वो और ज़्यादा था कि मैं नहीं खा सकती थी, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर अ फेस ऑफ समथिंग यू हैव टू बी लाइक दैट. सो वो कंटिन्यू होते रहा एंड नाउ तो इट्स अ हैबिट.
Do you miss any of those junk dishes, that you've not had for long?
Not really. I told you ना, even if I eat, I will just eat 1-2 bite and that's it. फिर उसके बाद मुझे खाने का मन भी नहीं करता.
वो जंक फूड वैसे भी नहीं असर करने वाला. एक दो बाइट में तो थोड़ी ही कुछ होता है.
Exactly.
That's so true. I'll wrap my questions here. But any message for fans? What do you want to tell them?
Thank you so much for loving me, because I think it's just 8 months for me, and the love which I'm getting from people. I mean, the love they're giving to Priyanka, and the love they which gave to Ruhi also, it was very overwhelming. So thank you so much for loving me, and I will make sure that I will keep entertaining you guys. And I always used to say this thing that आप लोग हो इसलिए मैं हूँ. So please keep loving me and supporting me, and मैं आप लोगों को निराश नहीं करूँगी. Thank you so much guys, love you.